Squad rin yan.
Ayon sa ICC Accredited Assistant to Counsel na si Attorney Cristina Conti, posible umanong confidential ang arrest warrant laban kay De La Rosa at ipinabatid lamang ito sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Katulad ng nangyari kay Duterte ilang buwan na ang nakalipas.
So the thing is, all documents have to either be classified as for the public consumption or confidential. And so the transmittal of the document is, kumbaga, proof that it exists, but it may not be known to the public. Most documents of the ICC, especially those pertaining to or relating to witnesses, o kaya contains private information about persons, are not immediately known public, which is why we have a lot of documents uploaded late and then marked redacted and then parang later on classified as public. Kaya pag-iingat ito hindi lang para dun sa mga